Hi, I'm Jens, and in the following video I will show you how you can use SlideFab to automatically create PowerPoint slides involving traffic lights showing either yellow, green or the red signal automatically. First of all, we create a PowerPoint template slide. For example, based on the Future Forward theme, but you could also use your existing corporate identity, whatever you like to. And as this will be about traffic lights, I will just add some shapes containing the traffic light. Small frame around it. In a nice and shiny black. And then the traffic lights themselves. Yeah, this is really pretty. So here we have an outline around it. I will just remove it and color the lights accordingly. As a final check to make sure that the traffic lights show the correct signal, I will add a template over here, maybe without background, containing the coloring information. So, what a nice traffic light slide. I guess you will build your own, which look way better. Let's move over to Excel and we create a small Excel model around this template presentation. So for the sake of demonstration, we will have a slide containing the red traffic light, one for the yellow and one for the green. So I create a small table around it using ctrl T on the keyboard and name this table color table. Then we have also the need to know the currently selected color. So this is the current color. I will name the range accordingly. And for example, it could be red. Let me just put it into this current color cell here. So what we need next is the condition, and we need the condition for red to show. So condition red, we need also condition yellow and condition green. And what we can say here is that if the currently selected color is red, then red is supposed to be shown, and otherwise it will be removed. We can do this with yellow as well, and also the same for green. And again, I will name these ranges in order to make SlideFab more readable and also the Excel model more robust. So it works like this. So if the current color is red, then the condition red is 1, the rest is 0. If the current color is yellow, it moves it down. And if it's green, then the green condition is 1 and the rest is 0. That's the whole Excel model. Nothing more to add. And all we need to do is move over to PowerPoint to the SlideFab ribbon and link this presentation template with the workbook. So PowerPoint and Excel are linked. So we can first of all use the slide linking pane and the selected shape over here and define that the currently selected color is written into the shape, that we make sure that the traffic lights are set correctly. And now we move over to the signals, and for the red signal I select the red condition as the shape exclusion condition and link it. And this means that if the condition is not met, then the shape will be deleted. I do this also for the yellow signal and for the green. So the slide is linked, and now we set up the iteration loop to create slides for all three colors. Therefore, I select the colors over here and put this into the loop candidates range such that SlideFab iterates the colors, and as the currently selected color, I let SlideFab know that it's the current color named range. Yeah, pretty easy. This was setting up the whole iteration loop. And as we are at the point here where everything is finished, there's only one piece missing, and it's the slide automation. Yep, that's it. Let's look at the results, and I guess there will be no surprise. We have a red traffic light, we have a yellow traffic light, and we have a green traffic light. It's maybe not the prettiest slide here, but for your own purposes, it's only how you do it and not how it looks, because your slides will be way prettier than mine. But anyway, this is how it works.